Hello guys, welcome in Tricky Pharmacology. Today our topic is coagulants and anticoagulants. So in this topic, we are going to learn the definition of this agent and the mechanism of action of this drug. So let's start with the definition. Here the agent will stop the bleeding by formation of blood clots. Another definition is the agent which promote the coagulation. And what is the coagulation? Here you can see the liquid form of the blood which convert the semi-solid form which known as clots. This process known as coagulation. Here also known as the hematostatic. This coagulation process is also known as hematostatic. So let's start with the mechanism of action of these coagulants. Here you can see the blood capillary and the blood. When we apply a sharp object to the blood capillary, the bleeding will be start. And when we apply this coagulant promote the blood clotting of that site and it stop the bleeding. So let's start the anticoagulant. This anticoagulant agent which inhibit the clotting and by decrease the action of coagulation factors. What is the coagulation factor? These factors, here are the some example. The coagulation factor 7, coagulation factor 9, coagulation factor 10 and the prothrombin. This also interfering the synthesis of these coagulation factors. So let's start the mechanism of action of these anticoagulants. So here you can see the blood capillary, and in that blood capillary the blood will flow, and when we apply a sharp object the bleeding will be start. Then we apply a coagulant, the blood clot will be formed, the internal clotting will increase and the clotting surface is also increase. So when this clot flow in that blood stream, it block the blood capillary, the small blood capillary it will block, and the blood flow will also block. This clot which block the blood capillary is known as embolism. So at this state we apply a anticoagulant. This anticoagulant prevent and soluble this blood clot, and when this blood clot is soluble the blood flow will start it. So the anticoagulant do the it convert this semi-solid blood clot into a liquid form. So this will be increase the blood flow. So guys, if you like my video, then please like and comment and subscribe also, and if you have any query then please comment below.